the Antonio project present.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will conduct the pressure test of the fuel injector. So this is the fuel injector and this one is pressure test device. This one is thrust piece. This one is the procedure. Okay, let's carry out the pressure test. The weight of this fuel injector is about 16 kilo, so you can handle by yourself. Anyway, also we can use chain block or lifting tools because we have already made the lifting tools, so you can transfer from this side to this pressure test device. Anyway, with 16 kilo, I think this is not so big deal, yeah. So this is the fuel injector.
Following is the fuel injector part name. 1. Counter nut. 2. Adjusting screw. 3. Spring. 4. Spring holder. 5. Push rod. 6. O-ring. 7. Spring. 8. Pilot solenoid cable. 9. Nozzle nut. And 10. Nozzle. And following is the fuel injector accessories. 1. Main fuel injection pipe. 2. Main coil pipe flange. 3. Main fuel connection piece. 4. Lubricating oil pipe. 5. Fastening screw. 6. Electric connector. 7. Cable gland. 8. O-ring. 9. Nozzle cap nut. 10. Pilot fuel connection pipe. And 11. flange. And next fuel injector testing device. 1. Oil return valve. 2. Pressure control valve. 3. High pressure fuel outlet. 4. Manometer. 5. Filler cap. 6. Solenoid impulse units. 7. Thrust piece. 8. High pressure hose. To conduct the pressure test of the fuel injector, the procedures are as follows. And next, set the thrust piece to the main fuel injection hole. And then carefully set the thrust piece to the main fuel injection hole. Turn thrust piece by your finger and feel that the thrust piece already fit properly to the main injector hole before tightening with the spanner. Hold thrust piece with the adjustable spanner and tighten the bolt with the spanner. And next, install the high pressure hose with quick connect coupling. And next, close the oil return valve before increasing the pressure. Increase the pressure slowly and check whether there is leakage. Any leakage found, then the pressurized pump before disconnecting the high pressure hose. When the source of leaking from the thrust piece, then disconnect the thrust piece and realign the thrust piece. As can be seen in this video, that for tightening the thrust piece, it is necessary to use two spanners. This is caused by the injector did not have any supporter. Fuel injector sit loose on the fuel base of injector pressure test device. Before carry out the pressure test of the injector, it is necessary to air push the high pressure hose. The air part or air bleed from the fuel pump has been done previously before installing the fuel injector. Increase the pressure carefully and check whether there is any leakage of the injector nozzle. The fuel pump used for injector pressure test is pneumatic air driven and it is connected to the 8 kg service air. Increase the pressure between 550 bar to 580 bar and wait until 5 seconds in order to make sure that there is no dripping oil on the nozzle. When confirmed that there is no oil leakage on the nozzle, that you can continue to increase the pressure until 600 bar. As you can see from the video that the nozzle opening pressure is 600 bar, but the spray pattern is not so good. The oil is not atomized. Anyway, we will try to retest the injector by releasing the pressure and re-increase to 600 bar. And the result is the same. The atomizing is not occurred. In this case, this fuel injector considered to defect and necessary to adjust the pressure or to be overhaul the nozzle. Before carry out the adjustment, it is necessary to put marking on the counter nut. As you can see from the video that the distance from the counter nut and the cable gland is very narrow. And it is necessary to use special spanner. Also, we have difficulties to loosening the counter nut due to there is no supporter on the injector. We have tried to loosening the counter nut on this side, but it cannot. Therefore, it is necessary to bring the injector to the vice bench. As you can see, due to the gap between counter nut and the cable gland is very narrow, so we cannot use the spanner. But since the special spanner did not provided by the maker, therefore we need to modify our hexagon spanner. It is necessary to grinding the spanner to reduce the thickness. Then after counter nut is loosened, then we bring the injector to the fuel injector test device in order to make the adjustment of nozzle opening pressure. And then retest the fuel injector to make the proper adjustment of the atomization. After connection of the high pressure hose, then we are starting to increase the pressure. As you can see, when the pressure increases, the nozzle start to leakage. Because previously we are loosening the adjusting bolt. And then adjustment of fuel injector atomizing pressure is begin. To adjust the needle opening pressure, at first start from a low spring tension and increase it gradually by tightening the adjusting screw. After setting the nozzle opening pressure, then check the spray pattern. As you can see, now the atomizing is getting better than previous. Also, the spray pattern of the atomizing is good condition. After confirming that the injection pressure is 600 bar and also the atomizing condition is in good condition, then we start to tighten counter nut. During tightening of the counter nut, hold the adjusting bolt tightly to prevent any movement of the adjusting bolt in order to keep the setting pressure of injector same as previous. Retest the pressure of the injector after retightening of the counter nut.
Injector test beds. So it is necessary to be modified. So once we have some order here, we can make adjustment easily. So you can see we necessary to use the
Due to difficulties of the tightening, then the injector again to be tightening at the vice band. This kind of work is not effective and not efficient due to much time consuming during shifting injector work.
after tightening on the vice grip, so we necessary to retest again.
After the tightening of the counter nut, it is necessary to conduct the retest to check whether nozzle opening pressure is the same as previous. This is to make the final adjustment of the nozzle opening pressure. And when the needle opening pressure is reached, and then tightening the counter nut to the stated torque. In this type of fuel injector, the tightening torque is 70 Nm. The torque tightening and other fuel injector pressure tests will be conducted after completion of the modification work for injector pressure test device. Anyway, please watch my next video for fuel injector pressure test using modified pressure test device which is more effective and efficient. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any suggestion, advice or question, let me know. Please write in the comment below. See you. Bye. The Antonio Project.